What's going on, guys? This is LA Austin here. Now, like I said, my goal is to try to make $1 million in 1 year. And I told you online sales was going to be one of my sources that I was going to utilize to get me there. So I started my Amazon account. Now, I do have an eBay account. I've been doing that for years, but Amazon has always been the more challenging one for me. To get to that point where I want to be at in life, I had to get out the comfort zone and do the Amazon. They do take
18%
of my profit, but overall, it's a good platform. It's a great platform. So these are 2 days of sales. So I got a couple orders here. I don't want to turn them over because it has the customer's name. So I want to protect the customer's information. How I got started was, first thing, just doing it, man. Fill out the business license, get the EIN number, and start selling on Amazon. My first week on Amazon, I did about, looking at the numbers now, 20,000 in sales. My net was $5,647.19. I used, what's that software called? I use Helium 10, and I'm not sponsored by Helium 10 or anything like that. It's pretty cute. It's a cute software, So I end up using that software to make sure my products were at least had a chance on Amazon. I'm not gonna lie, Amazon is a scary platform because I'm always worried. Anytime you have your livelihood put on a online platform, there is a sense of being like nervous because Amazon or any of these platforms could ban you for no reason. So, you just got to be conscious of the fact that they have that amount of power on you. But what else I learned on Amazon? I think I'm gonna do the FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, because the first week I had to do all the packaging myself, and that is a time waster. If you are going to do Amazon, I recommend doing the fulfillment by Amazon option instead of the merchant option. And that's if you need more time to work on other projects or whatever. But for me, my time has to be spent wisely on diversifying and having more time and freedom. So I think I'm definitely going to transition over to having Amazon fulfill all my products. The only con with having Amazon fulfill my orders is the customer service aspect that I can provide, like leaving a thank you card, being really appreciative that customer purchased from me directly. It becomes more animated, but I do need the time as well so I can focus my energy on other endeavors to get me to that $1 million mark. So I will be keeping you guys updated on my second week selling on Amazon, and if anything crazy happens, and keep you posted on my journey to $1 million. I'm about to fulfill these orders now. So, all right, guys, peace.